enter to the forest of Thouars in district of Talence, beside Bordeaux, and we can find that there are a lot of people, too many people, making sport, practicing walking or jogging in this forest. Actually, this forest is very huge forest in this area. You can see that there are some passages. You can see, go from that side. That side. You see that there are some people here. There are, I don't know if this will take us to a shortcut or no, but actually the main road is from that side. These trees are very high, so it creates a cold weather in this area. It will prevent the sunlight to enter to this forest, but I think this way will take us to the periphery of this forest. You can hear the birds. Yeah. It's from that side, I think. There are two signs, here and here. I think here. Oh. I think this is some informations about what is the type of the plants or herbs or trees in this forest. You can see that. I think, can we go from that side? No. I will try to cross the area without knowing that this is, yeah, I can see people from that side, so it's okay. This is almost different way. Yeah. I don't know what's this. Maybe there are some people sitting here. They were sitting here or eating or making barbecue. Since so can go on that side. Yeah. I think there are some indication for directions like that. I'm in the opposite direction. They will give me penalty because I am walking in the wrong side. Yeah, it's very beautiful here. It's very beautiful. It's like a reserve, natural reserve. Especially when you see this type of trees that grows naturally. And this section is very beautiful. See that one? I can't touch it. I can't. Yeah, can't touch it. Yeah. This is the direction indication. I think there are somebody. They try to enter from that side. I don't know. Is it legal or I cannot see anyway? But we go from that side. This is very suitable place to practice the sport. Walking, jogging. I can breathe the natural air fully with oxygen. Yeah. You can see the sun penetrating the high trees from that side. You can see here there is different way, but I think they will cross each other this and that way in one. I think this type of plant, I don't know, we see it in that this forest. It's very big. I think that way or that way. See, that way. This is different way. I think there was a type of river, small river here. There is no water. We go from that side. We see this explication stand. Yeah, we can see the water and some information about the trees which grows beside these small rivers. You can see. Yes, this direction also. I think it's very big, it's very big. Yep. We almost take, we had taken 10 minutes to cross this river, this forest. There is a place where we can play football on that side. We are about to finish this forest. Actually, the forest is very huge because there are some ways behind us, but actually we take the shortcuts because we don't have time, and to film this type of forest we need to pass maybe 30 minutes. It actually is very beautiful, very beautiful. I think there is a swimming pool also here. There is a type of swimming pool. Yeah. Very huge. All of this is the forest. Very, very huge. Can go just to follow the indication. I think it's not a way here because yeah, because I think we have to go from that side because it's almost finished. I don't know these offices, maybe for to get a permission or as a clubs, I don't know. I think yeah, this is loisir centers of this area, maybe clubs. Yeah, I think this is the swimming pool. in front of us. This is a school to, I think there's Talence School of the motorcycle sports. Maybe this is to teach them how they drive the motorcycles in the mountains or the hills like this. So I think رابطة Talence Alliance, Football Alliance. You can see that this forest is very huge, very huge. This tree is very still there are people coming from that side. I think the main street is located in that side because we can see some cars. Maybe this is the entrance of a palace, chateau, old palace. This is Serbian. Yeah, this is the Sport Life Service, Animation Service, Union Talents Union Sport Centers, Requalification of Thouars. I think this is the area where they manage or organize the event. You can enter. It's open, and I think it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. This area is very beautiful. Yeah. We go from that side. I think this is the main road. This is the main road. This is old palace, but they changed it to be like organization to direct the sport events in Talence. We can see I don't know if there is a way from that side or it's closed. I suppose that this is open. I guess it's opened. There is a way. So I think can go from that side. This is the swimming pool, not that's one. And you can see I think yeah, I think it's enough because we almost reached to the swimming pool. Maybe this is district Thouars in Talence, in the Talence city. Talence city is city that's located beside Bordeaux, and in the city there are a lot of districts like Thouars, and this is the stade. I think I guess it is the pneumatic stand. You can see this is the pneumatic stand. Let's see. This is a swimming pool. I don't know if we can see the swimming pool from this area. I guess yes, but we cannot see it clearly. You can see that there is a swimming pool. Yeah, we can see swimming pool. This is special plants, and this is the magnetic stands. You can see. Yeah. You can see the swimming pool sign. This is swimming pool. Yeah. This is a swimming pool. Yeah. You can see the swimming pool from this area. It's very beautiful. I don't know how to create a membership in this swimming pool.